Good morning, my dear children. Are you enjoying your holidays? Are you doing your homework regularly? Very good. Today I am going to teach you social. Now we are going to see an interesting video about early human beings. Then we will start the session.
Early man and his life. Early man lived in jungles. He ate fruits and roots of plants. He killed animals to eat. He ate raw flesh. He used stones as tools. Then he learned to make tools of stone and bone. He used these tools for killing animals and digging out roots of plants. Early man used to live in caves. He had no clothes to wear. He covered his body with leaves, barks, and animals' skins. The discovery of fire. After a long time, early man began to use stone tools. He discovered fire. He must have seen fire breaking out in the jungle. Initially, he was afraid of fire. He also saw that animals were afraid of it. Later, by rubbing together pieces of flint, early man could produce sparks. These sparks would set fire to dry leaves and wood shavings. Then he found the meat cooked over a fire tasty, and this led him to start cooking. He learned to preserve meat by smoking it over a fire. He also used fire to make better pottery and bricks. Then fire became the center of daily life of early man. He used it to protect himself from animals and to warm himself. He also became active at night, using fire as a source of light. Agriculture. When early man used to eat fruits, he threw seeds here and there. He found that over a period of time they grew into new plants. It inspired him to become a farmer. Later, he learned to plow the land. He learned to cultivate grains such as rice, wheat, and barley. Now, he began to keep animals like cattle, goat, and sheep. Dog was the first domesticated animal. He used animals to plow the land. Then he did not have to roam from one place to another in search of food. Agriculture and domestication of animals brought about great changes in the life of early man. He chose to live near river valleys because water was available and soil was fertile to grow crops. He made tent-like huts to live. He learned to make clay pots by hand. He also learned to make baskets from bamboo. He kept grains in the pots and baskets. He caught fish from the river to eat. He enjoyed a settled life. The invention of the wheel. You have learned in earlier class how early man invented the wheel. The invention of wheel made a significant change in his life. He made round pieces of tree trunks which could easily move even on rough land. He used them to make a cart. Initially, he pulled the cart. Later, he used animals to pull it. Now, it helped him to travel and carry his loads from one place to another. He also used wheels to make pots. Later, he learned to use wheels to spin cotton and wool and weave clothes. The discovery of metals. The lifestyle of early man grew fast after he learned agriculture. Early man continued to progress in various fields. As he led a settled life, he got free time. He used the free time to enjoy the life. He sang and danced. In the course of time, he developed a number of valuable uses of fire. Eventually, he got metals by heating various hard stones. Copper was the first metal to be used by early man. He used copper to make tools and ornaments. After it, he learned to add tin to copper, which is known as bronze. Bronze tools such as axes, knives, swords, etc. were made. Then iron was discovered. Most tools and weapons were made of iron. Iron took the place of bronze. The discovery of metals brought about a great change in the lifestyle of man. Man used iron tools for clearing jungles and used for farming. He started to live a comfortable life. This further gave rise to various developmental stages. Villages and cities grew up. Great works of art and craft developed.
Students, did you enjoy the video? Shall we recall it? This video is about early human beings. They discovered food, clothing, tools, language, cave paintings, farming, and discovery of fire. In this session, we are going to discuss about Lesson 1, Early Human Beings. Let us start with early human beings. Early human beings were called hominids. They resembled apes and walked on all fours. But over time, they slowly evolved and started walking on two legs. They lived in caves and were therefore called cavemen. Shall we repeat it again? Early human beings were called hominids. They resembled apes and walked on all fours. But over time, they slowly evolved and started walking on two legs. They lived in caves and were therefore called cavemen. We say early human beings were called hominids. They resemble like an apes. Resemble, which means similar. They similar to an apes and walked on all four legs. But over time, they slowly evolved, which means they developed and started walking on two legs. They lived in caves and were therefore called cavemen. Here there are two pictures. In first picture, you can see apes. In this next one, apes evolved into hominids and they lived in caves. Timeline and location. Human beings, as we now know, lived around 5 million years ago, mostly in the eastern and southern parts of Africa. Shall we repeat it again? Human beings, as we now know, lived around 5 million years ago, mostly in the eastern and southern parts of Africa. Human beings lived in the southern and eastern parts of Africa around 5 million years ago. Food and clothing. Early human beings were hunter-gatherers. They hunted and ate small animals and whatever food they could gather from the forest, such as fruits, nuts, berries, and roots. They wore the skin and fur of animals and sometimes even the bark of trees to keep themselves warm. Students, shall we repeat it once again? Early human beings were hunter-gatherers. They hunted and ate small animals and whatever food they could gather from the forest, such as fruits, nuts, berries, and roots. They wore the skin and fur of animals and sometimes even the bark of trees to keep themselves warm. Early human beings were hunter-gatherers. Hunter-gatherers, which mean people who lived by hunting and collecting food. They hunted and ate small animals. They could gather from the forest such as fruits, nuts, berries, and roots. Berries here is juicy fruit. And also they can wear the skin and fur of animals. Fur of animals, which mean thick growth of hair that covers the skin of animals, and sometimes even the bark of trees to keep themselves warm. What is bark here mean? The outermost layers of stems and roots of woody plants. They use this to keep themselves warm. Here some of the pictures of early human beings. Here the first picture shows how they are hunting animals for food. Then clothing. The third is berries which they eat. And then bark of trees and fur of animals that used them to keep themselves warm. Tools. Early human beings sharpened stones and attached them to sticks, using them as aspects to kill animals. They used other tools such as wood and bones for hunting, fishing, digging and saving. As most of the tools were made out of stone, this period is called the Stone Age. Shall we repeat it again, students? Early human beings sharpened stones and attached them to sticks, using them as aspects to kill animals. They used other tools such as wood and bones for hunting, fishing, digging and saving. As most of the tools were made out of stone, this period is called the Stone Age. Early human beings used tools such as wood and bones for hunting, fishing, digging and saving. Hunting here means the activity of hunting wild animals. Digging means break up with their tool, and saving is stitching. As most of the tools were made out of stone, this period is called the Stone Age. This picture shows how early human beings made their tools. Language and communication. Early human beings did not have a language and used signs and animal sounds to communicate with each other. They also made beautiful cave paintings which showed animals, hunting scenes and life during their times, using natural colors and dyes made from vegetables. Students, shall we repeat it again? Early human beings did not have a language and used signs and animal sounds to communicate with each other. They also made beautiful cave paintings which showed animals, hunting scenes and life during their times using natural colors and dyes made from vegetables. Early human beings communicate with each other with signs and animal sounds. Signs here means mark or shape that always has a particular meaning, and communicate here means to exchange information with each other. Early human beings made beautiful cave paintings using natural colors and dyes which made from vegetables. We learnt about cave paintings already. These are some pictures of cave paintings painted by early human beings. Students, today's homework, write down the dictation words in your classwork note. 4 lines notebook, 80 pages should be used. Use your pencil and write neatly. Refer the PDF which is attached with this video. So far we have learnt about early human beings, food, clothing, tools, language and communication, cave paintings. Read everything what we have learnt today. Read the hard words with meaning. Next we will continue remaining topics in next class. Thank you.